To import videos from Vimeo, click on Vimeo in the top navigation. This will list all of your videos on Vimeo. Select all the videos that you would like to import. Make sure your channel and feed are selected. Then select content type. In my case, it will be short form video. Click Import Selected. You will see a message in the bottom left corner of this screen. In addition, I need to import all of my movies. Once I select all of my movies, I select Movie in the content type. Click Import Selected and wait for the message. Once everything is imported successfully, go back to the home screen. On the home screen, you will see all the content that was imported. Now let's filter the list by hiding all the content types except movie. Let's look at one of the movies and add some tags before we mark it as published. Add as many tags as possible to each video. Think of tags as keywords. Tags are used to group your content. You can add existing tags by selecting it from the drop-down or create a new tag that will be stored in the system. Once you go through all of your video metadata, you can mark your video as published by clicking the toggle in the top right corner. Once your video is published, go back to the home screen and publish the rest of your videos.